How's that hang a monkey's branch here?
Alright, so it seems to be a new update, so I'm just gonna join a couple.
Alright, let's just get right into it. Okay, mazes and monkeys. Okay, it looks like there's dice here.
Oh, it actually works. Oh, you can pick it back up. That's cool.
New glider skin. Okay, it looks like we got some nice armor.
Oh, here's a helmet. A mask. Bow. Oh, this bow is huge. Oh, there's a... Oh, it set things on fire. That's pretty nice.
Okay, so there's some claws.
Ooh, dragon suit. Quickly get this D20 badge. I think, yeah, that's a D20 badge. And then we'll go check out basement. Oh, basement's back. Why does it look like this? Oh, what? Oh, there's a red one? Why is it red? Okay, I didn't. Oh.